Hi friends, Miss Vanessa here. Today we are going to play some sound riddles. A riddle is like a puzzle. It's something you have to use your brain to think about and to find the answer to solve. So I'm going to play you some sounds. Some of them are familiar to you, some of them you'll know, some of them you might have never heard before, and you're going to have to use your best guess. So let's get our listening ears on and listen to the first one. Preschoolers, do you have any guesses what that was? I'm going to give you a couple clues. I heard water, I heard footsteps, and I also heard laughing. What do you think that might be? That was some friends running in puddles. Let's get ready for the second one. Ooh, what do you think that might have been? Let's think about those clues. I heard something loud, like it was blowing, but then I heard something moving and a big whoosh. What do you think that might have been? That one was an airplane taking off. Good work. Let's think about another one. Friends, do you have any guesses on that one? I heard a sound. It sounded like water, but it wasn't still water. There was a blub, 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 like a silly sound, like someone blowing bubbles in the water. All right, let's listen to a few more. Any guesses on that one? I heard a couple things. I heard some crumpling, some crunching, but I also heard some footsteps. Any guesses on that one? Ooh, that one was friends walking in leaves on the ground in the fall. Let's get ready for another one. This one's a little bit trickier, so you're gonna need to use some good listening ears. What do you think that might have been? I heard a couple clues in that one. I heard something dribbling, something hitting the ground, maybe a kind of ball. I heard some feet running, but then I also heard something that was kind of squeaking that told me maybe those shoes were making fast, quick turns. Any guesses? That's right, that one was friends playing basketball together. You could hear the ball dribbling and their feet running and turning. Alrighty, friends, we've got a couple more. Keep that attention ready. What did you hear in that? I heard birds making noise. I wonder what kind of birds those were. That might give me a clue to be thinking about where this was. And I heard some noise, some water, almost like waves going in and waves going out. That's right, it was the ocean. You could hear the seagulls making their noise and the waves going in and out on the beach. All right, preschoolers, we have 2 more. Let's listen to this next one. That one was a little bit tricky. What do you think that sounded like? I only really heard one noise in there. It sounded like someone going, That was a dog running. He was panting, just like Clifford pants. It's when you breathe really heavy after you've been running really hard. All right, friends, thanks for paying attention. This is our last one. Let's use those listening ears to figure out this sound riddle. That one was a little bit tricky. That was a sound that maybe we haven't heard before. That might have been something new. Were there any clues you heard to help you figure that out? I heard water. I'm not certain what kind of water though. And then I heard some children. It sounded like they were laughing, like they were having fun. Let's think about where we hear water and children running and playing. Any guesses? I'm thinking about a fountain maybe, or a splash pad. This sound was actually from Reggio Emilia, Italy. So these kids have a fountain in front of one of their theaters, the Valali Theater. We don't have a theater like that. We have the Ohio Theater here in Columbus, Ohio, where we're from. But there's no fountain in front of that. But I know that we have splash pads, and I know that we have our big fountain downtown where kids like to run and play. So even though we might not have got that one exactly right, there were still lots of clues so we could figure out what that was. I hope you enjoyed our sound riddles. We'll see you another day. Bye.